Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. Very soon I am going to publish video on how will be the year 2022 for Pisces Ascendant. As for Pisces Ascendant, year 2022 will be a very important year as there will be transit of Rahu, Saturn and Jupiter, and these transits play very important roles in anyone's life when we talk about any aspect of life, whether it is career, family life, finances or health. So what will be the impact of these transits on you during the year 2022? To know about this, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will get the latest updates of this channel. In this video, we will discuss the detailed analysis of Pisces Ascendant for the month of November 2021, and people who want to learn Vedic astrology, my videos will be helpful to them as well, as I will try to explain you how I have given predictions. There are different sections in this video. In these different sections, we will discuss the impact of planetary transits during the month of November on your career, on your family life, on your health, on your finances, on your romance life, and finally at the end of this video we will discuss the best remedies which will help you during the month of November. So if number 12 is written in the first house of your birth chart and LA, which stands for Lagna or Ascendant, is also written in the same house as you can see in this particular birth chart, then this monthly birth chart analysis report November 2021 is for you. For other ascendants or Lagna prediction for the month of November, you can watch my other videos. During the month of November, there are very important planetary transits of Sun and Mercury, which are very important this month, as Sun conjunction will be there in the 9th house of birth chart with Ketu, due to which Grahan dosha will be formed in the 9th house of birth chart. So what will be its impact on your health, on your finances, on your family life? We will be discussing all this in this particular video. So let's move forward and first discuss about your career during the month of November. Period from 1st to 16th of November, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Jupiter is in the 12th house, Saturn is there in the 11th house, Rahu is in the 3rd house, Ketu is there in the 9th house, Mars, Sun and Mercury conjunction is in the 8th house of birth chart, and Venus is in the 10th house of birth chart. So let's move forward and discuss what will be the impact of these planetary positions on your career. During this period, Sun, Mercury and Mars conjunction is there in the 8th house, and during this period these three fiery planets, which are very fiery in nature, are in the 8th house. Aspect of these three planets will be on the 2nd house of birth chart. Due to this conjunction in the 8th house, you may face unstable mind. Your decision making power may reduce. Conjunction of Mars and Sun in the 8th house may make you little rigid in nature, due to which you will ignore other suggestions. Due to such type of behavior, it will impact your partnership business in a negative manner. It will increase the clashes with your partners as well. Conjunction of Mars and Sun in the 8th house may impact the health of your life partner as well. There are also possibility that you may get job somewhere away from your birthplace. You may get transfer in your job. There are chances that your travel in your job or business may increase during this particular period. Conjunction of Sun and Mars is not a favorable placement in the 8th house. This is very important, and this placement is very negative when we talk about your health. So beware of that, which we are going to discuss in our health related section later in this video. Due to this conjunction in the 8th house, you may start reacting on small issues of life, due to which there are chances that your mental stress at your workplace may also increase. Due to this, your image also get impacted in a negative manner at your workplace. Try to keep yourself away from any sort of arguments, otherwise this period may also put you in some legal issues. Try not to take any sort of decision related to your job or business out of anger. That will create mental stress to you in the near future. People who are into government job has to be very careful here, as this period may create some mental stress in their job. Try to keep yourself away from any sort of situation which may create some mental stress to you. That will be better for you. People who are into research work, people who are into software development work will be getting some unexpected gains here. There are chances that you will get good opportunities here. You will be getting some positive results here. People who are into partnership business have to be careful here. Your mental stress in partnership business may increase. Your relation with your partners may also get impacted in a negative manner. What will be the impact of this on your family life? We will be discussing this in our family related section later in this video. During this period, Venus is placed in the 10th house of birth chart, from where it will aspect the 4th house, and Venus is the Marka planet in your birth chart, due to which if you are planning to change your job, if you are planning to invest in new business, or if you are planning to take some big decision related to your job or career, then better to delay things a bit. That will be better for you. If you are planning to purchase property or planning to purchase new vehicle, then try to delay the things a bit. Otherwise, any of your investment during this period may create some sort of mental stress to you in the coming period. During the current period, Saturn is in its own sign, that is in the sign of Capricorn, and is placed in the 11th house, that is the house of profit. From 11th house, Saturn is aspecting your 1st house, 5th house and 8th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. Placement of Saturn in the 11th house states that there will be multiple sources of earnings for you. If you are doing job, then it will be better for you to start any small consultancy and any small business parallelly. This period will give you some good growth in that. Due to the retrograde movement of Saturn has already ended, then there are chances that you will start getting those fruitful results of your hard work what you were expecting for the past many years. But you have to keep working hard here. The next 5 years are very important for such persons who want to settle abroad in the coming future. You have to keep putting your efforts, as after 5 months you will be getting some good news due to the transit of Saturn. If you are running partnership business with your friends, then you will be having good growth in that in the coming period. Jupiter is the lord of the 1st house in your birth chart, and Jupiter is in the 12th house during the current transit. Jupiter will aspect the 4th house, 6th house and 8th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows, due to which there are opportunities for those who want to settle abroad, for those who are searching job abroad, for students who want to study abroad and want to go abroad for higher studies. Then this period will give you some very good results. If you are providing some online consultancy for some international organization, if you are into education business in association with some foreign universities, then this period will give you some very good opportunities, very good results here. There are chances of foreign travel in your job as well during the coming period. If you are in foreign land, then there are chances that you will face some sort of fraud here, so beware of that. As Jupiter is the lord of the 1st house, and in the current transit Jupiter is in the 12th house, so you have to be very careful related to your health here. What will be the impact of this on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section later in this video. Period from 17th to 21st of November, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period Sun transit will be in the 9th house of birth chart from 8th house, where Ketu is there. So during this period Sun and Ketu conjunction is there in the 9th house. That means the house of luck, where Rahu aspect will be there. Due to this conjunction, Grahan dosha will be formed in your birth chart. You will see some fluctuations in your business, in your career. These fluctuations may be positive and negative as well. This period may boost your self-confidence in a negative manner. Due to this overconfidence, you can start avoiding others. You will start neglecting other suggestions. If any of your paperwork got stuck in any government office, then this period will create little more stress to you. There are chances that you may face challenges to maintain your social image. There are also chances that you may face some fraud from your partners in your business, especially in family business. There are chances that you may face some hindrances in your job during this particular period. If your promotion is due, then there are also chances that it will get delayed. If you are into government job, then you have to keep yourself away from any sort of situation which may put you in any sort of legal issue, so beware of that. Placement of Sun in the 9th house and making Grahan Dosha will impact your family life, which we will be discussing in our family related section later in this video. Period from 22nd to 30th of November, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period, Mercury will transit from 8th house to the 9th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of this chart, due to which there are chances that you may get rid of some sort of problems which you are facing for a long time. For example, if you have started any business and you are not getting results in that, due to which you are unable to manage your finances, then during this period you will see sudden growth in such business. You will see profit in such business. Such a scenario may happen during this particular period, but you have to face negative impact in other aspect of life, that is in family life or health related issues due to this transit of Mercury. You may take some wrong decision related to your job or business during this particular period. So before taking any sort of decision related to your career or business, better to discuss with some experienced person. So that was all about your career during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of November. Period after 17th of November, you may face some issues related to your lower abdomen area. If you have some problems related to your gastrointestinal tract, then this period may create more trouble to you. So avoid taking food from outside or avoid eating spicy food during this particular period. Also, if you have medical history of depression, migraine, then be careful. This period is not so favorable for your disease like this. Better to keep doing meditation, that will be beneficial for you. Try not to avoid any small symptom of disease during this period, that will be better for you. Females who are pregnant have to be very careful during this period. Try to avoid lifting heavy weights or try not to do any sort of activity which may create health related issues to you. Period from 6th to 7th of November and 19th to 20th of November is not so favorable for your health. You may face uneasiness, you may face trouble related to your sleep during this particular period. So be careful about this. So that was all about your health during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during the month of November. This month will be a favorable period for your finances, will be positive for your finances. You will see huge financial gains which will be sudden in nature after 17th of November. But your expenses will also increase suddenly during this period, and these expenses will be more on your health. So better to keep a good care of your health. Period from 8th to 9th of November, you may get some unexpected financial gains. If you are doing any online business, if you are into share trading, if you have invested somewhere in the past, then in such a scenario, in such a cases, there are chances of getting some unexpected financial gains. Period from 6th to 7th of November, your expenses may increase. Avoid doing any expense which is not very important for you. Otherwise, this period may give some mental stress to you. So that was all about your finances during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your romance life during the month of November. If you are single, then during the period 8th to 11th of November, you may fall into relationship, you may fall in love. If you are into relationship, then the current month is not so favorable for your relationship. You may face challenges to maintain a healthy relationship. Problems related to your relationship will increase. Here you may face mental stress in relationship. This may be due to any compatibility issue. Better to keep calm and avoid any sort of situation which may create misunderstanding with your partner. Try to be little flexible, try to give importance to your partner. Try not to react on those small issues which can be avoided. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress to you. Period after 21st of November, your mental stress related to your relationship matters will reduce. It will be a favorable period for a relationship. Your bonding will improve. All your stress related to your relationship issues will get reduced here. So that was all about your romance life during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family life during the month of November. Month of November is not so favorable period for your married life. You have to keep a control on yourself. Try not to react on small issues which can be avoided. It will be difficult for you to control on your anger. This period will be a test of your self-discipline, self-control. Otherwise, this period may create huge mental stress in your married life. It will be difficult for you to manage your work-life balance during this particular period. You may start reacting on small issues. You will avoid taking any suggestion from your partner, due to which your mental stress related to your family life will increase. Chances of conflict will increase. Chances of misunderstanding will also increase. Try to maintain a work-life balance and give some time to your family life as well. Period after 17th of November, it may increase stress related to your father. This stress may be due to some property related issue, may be due to some health related issue of your father, or maybe some family issues. During this month, your relation with your younger brother and sister will improve. Your bonding with your younger brother and sister will be more stronger. So that was all about your family life during the month of November. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that will be beneficial for you during the month of November. You should wear black or dark blue color clothes mostly in your routine life. You should also wake up early in the morning before sunrise and see rising sun with naked eyes. It will fill you with great positive energy and zeal. Donate medicine in a charitable hospital or to any needy person. Do physical exercise daily and do meditation for at least 20 minutes daily. Donate red lentils on every Tuesday to any needy person. Donate yellow pulses on 14th of November 2021 between 5:50 am to 6:45 pm. So these were the best remedies which you have to follow during the month of November and will be beneficial for you. So that was all about the Pisces ascendant for the month of November 2021. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.